Sairam children, chapter 9, Up You Go. We already discussed few things regarding mountaineering, the tools needed for a person to climb on the mountains, and about a camp, a mountaineering camp. The camp, this camp is located in Uttarakashi. Its name is Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarakashi. In this chapter, we discussed how a lady who attended this camp faced some challenges. I am giving you a quick revision, then we'll start something new. As you are able to see, the chapter 9, Up You Go. And this is Mountaineering Camp, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarakashi. We already discussed few things, and I asked you to imagine about the path on mountains and draw a picture. What the coach, Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of adventure course, gave some responsibility of this lady. What he said, Madam, what are you doing here at breakfast time? Hurry up, otherwise you will have to trek on an empty stomach. This statement of Director Brigadier Gyan Singh explained about the discipline of the camp. Brigadier said, "You have came to tell me that you have blisters on your feet, that you can't walk, isn't it?" That lady said, "Yes." Brigadier said, "This is nothing new." The meaning to say is that माउंटेनियरिंग कैंप में पैरों में छाले आना एक आम बात है. What Brigadier said, "Listen, ma'am, you will lead group number 7. You will have to help any member who has difficulty climbing the mountain. You have already been told about the responsibility of a group leader in the mountains. I will discuss with you about the responsibilities of a group leader. Before it, have you ever seen the mountains? Have you ever climbed a mountain? If yes, when and where? Write your experience. How far have you walked at one time? How far can you walk? Imagine about the path. A big responsibility. I started thinking about what a leader must do. एक लीडर को क्या करना चाहिए? A leader is to lead the group, and leaders' responsibilities are help others in carrying their bags. Let the group go ahead and keep to the last. Help those who cannot climb properly. Find a good place to stop and rest. Look after those who are not well. Arrange for food for the group. And the most important thing is to be ready to be punished even when someone else may have made a mistake. It means a group leader can't make any excuses. वो कोई excuse, कोई बहाने नहीं बना सकता. And that made them realize that there was a special kind of discipline here. I wondered whether the camp will still be fun. Life में discipline बहुत जरूरी है. Group number 7. Group number 7 included girls from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. I was the only teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya in this group. I was happy to meet my new group members. Most of them could not speak Hindi well. I still feel bad that after being together for 21 days, I could not talk even once with a girl from Mizoram, Khondon B. She spoke only Mizo, but in our hearts, we grow close to each other. In this group, all the girls were from Northeast region, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. And most of the girls from these states didn't know about Hindi language. So it was quite difficult to communicate. But what leader said, we grow close to each other in our hearts. What do you think about the responsibilities of a group leader? आप क्या सोचते हैं कि एक ग्रुप लीडर की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है? How would you feel if you were made a leader in such a camp? अगर आपको इस प्रकार के किसी कैंप का लीडर बनाया जाए तो आप कैसा महसूस करेंगे? How does a monitor in your class have to do? What does a monitor in your class have to do? आप देखते हैं कि आपकी क्लास में एक मॉनिटर है. क्या आप अपने क्लास के मॉनिटर को पसंद करते हैं? पसंद करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं, और पसंद नहीं करते हैं तो क्यों नहीं करते हैं? This is quite interesting to express your views about your class monitor, because class monitor has lot of responsibilities like a group leader of mountaineering camp. I would like to show you some great mountaineers. You can see these mountaineers and the mountains. You can see here is a mountain full of snow. What is mountain? A landmass that projects well above its surroundings, higher than a hill. ऊपर उठा हुआ, हिल से भी ऊपर, अपने चारों तरफ से जितनी भी चीजें उनसे ऊपर, that landmass is called a mountain. This is Mount Everest. All of you heard about the Mount Everest. This is K2, another mountain. This is Kanchenjunga. These are very famous mountains. Nanda Devi. These top 5 peaks of the world, Mount Everest is about 8,848. This is the height of these mountains. Mount Everest, Nepal and Tibet, K2 in Pakistan, Kanchenjunga, India and Nepal. And these all 5 are top 5 peaks. And every mountaineers have a dream to climb up to the peak of Mount Everest. जिन्हें भी इंटरेस्ट होता है माउंटेनियरिंग का, उनका यह सपना होता है कि इन पीक्स के ऊपर तक वो पहुंचे. Have you seen this picture ever? This is Tenzing Norgay. And this is Edmund Hillary. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, both together climbed the highest peak in the world, the Mount Everest, for the first time. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. And first time these two men, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, climbed the highest peak. This woman, Junko Tabi, first woman to climb the Mount Everest. Women are not behind the men. They are also very brave to climb up to the peak of Mount Everest. This is Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. And the chapter we are discussing Up You Go, we are talking about the Bachendri Pal. She was the member of that camp. What does it take to climb the mountains? It is an adventurous sports. Adventure, जैसे एडवेंचर का शौक होता है, वो माउंटेनिंग में इंटरेस्ट रखता है. The climber climbs the mountains with the help of mountain climbing gears. कुछ टूल्स होते हैं जिन्हें अपने साथ रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. These are the tools, very important for a mountaineer to climb a mountain successfully. We already saw you earlier. This is the camp, a tent where they kept all the things to protect themselves from extreme climatic conditions also. These are the mountaineers. All of you are very much aware about these. So these are the questions. Try to attend these questions. What I discussed already, you can attempt these questions. So this was all about what we discussed. Now more about the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi camp. Crossing the river, we got vitamin C, iron tablets, and hot chocolate milk with our breakfast. These were given for strength and to keep us warm in the cold. विटामिन सी, क्या आप जानते हैं कि किन किन चीजों में विटामिन सी पाया जाता है? और विटामिन सी हमारी बॉडी के लिए, हमारी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को बूस्ट करने के लिए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आयरन टैबलेट्स एंड हॉट चॉकलेट मिल्क, एंड दीज वर गिवन फॉर स्ट्रेंथ, शरीर में ताकत लाने के लिए और इतने कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में अपने आप को गर्म रखने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. एवरी मॉर्निंग देयर वुड बी अ मेडिकल चेकअप, और हर एक सुबह एक मेडिकल चेकअप होता था उन सभी का. इनमें से क्या कोई बीमार तो नहीं है? अगर कोई बीमार है तो उसे परमिशन नहीं दी जाती थी. We tied our bandage and counted the days left. After an 8-kilometer trek, we reached a river. 8 kilometers की ट्रैकिंग के बाद वो एक रिवर तक पहुंच गए. And there was a thick rope tied across the river from one bank to the other. और नदी के एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे के बीच में एक थिक मोटी रस्सी बंधी हुई थी. The rope was tightly fixed to the pegs or pitons on both the sides. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा क्या होते हैं pitons. I was feeling nervous. I started thinking what would happen if the rope came out. इस प्रकार के एडवेंचर में नर्वस होना एक नॉर्मल सी बात है. तो ये लेडी भी she felt nervous because thinking negative. What would happen if the rope came out? अगर रस्सी निकल गई तो क्या होगा? I was trying to estimate how wide the river was. और वह लेडी एस्टिमेट कर रही थी कि ये रिवर कितनी चौड़ी है. Our instructor tied a rope around his waist and put a sling, a type of hook in it. इनके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने एक रस्सी अपने कमर के उसमें बांध ली और एक हुक लगा लिया. He then put the sling on the thick rope and tied across the river. जो थिक रोप पर उसने अपना हुक लगाया जो कि रिवर के दोनों किनारों के बीच में बंधी हुई थी. Walking through icy water, he went to the other side. और बर्फ जैसे ठंडे पानी और बर्फ वाले पानी में वो he went to the other side. No one was ready to step into the fast flowing river. Everyone was pushing each other to go first. और कोई हिम्मत नहीं कर पा रहा था. सभी एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे थे कि तुम पहले जाओ. I stood last in the line hoping that no one would see me. जो लीडर थी वो अपने ग्रुप के लाइन में सबसे लास्ट खड़ी थी. वो इसलिए लास्ट खड़ी थी कि उसे कोई नहीं देख सके. Just then our instructor came near me with the sling and rope in his hand. और तभी इंस्ट्रक्टर उनके पास आए. I knew there was no escape now. और लेडी क्या सोचती है कि अब मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि अब बचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है. I was ready but did not have the courage. मैं तैयार थी लेकिन मुझ में हिम्मत नहीं थी. Sir could guess my fears. और इंस्ट्रक्टर ने यह गैस कर लिया कि मैं डर रही हूँ. He called out loudly. 3 cheers for संगीता मैडम. और उसे हिम्मत दिलाने के लिए उन्होंने उसको चीयर किया. And before I knew it, someone had gently pushed me into the water. इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ समझ पाती किसी ने बहुत ही धीरे से मुझे रिवर में पुश कर दिया. I felt as if my feet were frozen. और मुझे क्या महसूस हुआ कि मेरे पैर अब पूरी तरह जम गए. I started shivering. My teeth were chattering. I caught hold of the rope and started putting my feet firmly on the riverbed. पैर ठंड में जम गए, शरीर कांप रहा था, दांत खटखटा रहे थे और मैंने उस रोप को मजबूती से पकड़कर रिवर बेड पर अपने पैरों को जमाने की कोशिश की. As I walked further in, the river got deeper and slowly the water reached up to my neck. और जैसे जैसे मैं आगे बढ़ती नदी और गहरी होती जाती और कुछ ही देर में पानी मेरी गर्दन तक पहुंच गया. In the middle of the river, I lost my balance and started slipping. और नदी के बीच में मेरा बैलेंस बिगड़ गया और मैं फिसलने लगी. I was so scared and felt so cold. मैं काफी डर गई थी और काफी ठंड महसूस कर रही थी. That the rope slipped from my hands. I started shouting for help. और तभी वो रस्सी भी मेरे हाथों से छूट गई और मैं मदद के लिए चिल्लाने लगी. I was sure I would be carried away by the river. But no, I found that I was tied with the rope to the sling. और मुझे क्या लगा कि नदी मुझे बहा के ले जाएगी, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. मैंने पाया I found that कि I was tied with the rope to the sling. एक हुक से वो रिवर के ऊपर जो रस्सी एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे तक बंधी हुई थी उससे टाइट थी. Hold the rope, hold the rope. I could hear the shouts. रस्सी पकड़ के रखो, यह आवाज सुनाई दी. I somehow managed to get hold of the rope and pull myself forward. और मैंने कोशिश करी, मैनेज किया कि उस रोप को पकड़ के रखूं और अपने आप को आगे की तरफ बढ़ाऊं. Slowly with some courage, I reached the river bank. और हिम्मत और साहस के साथ मैं नदी के किनारे पर पहुंच गई. I felt a special kind of happiness as I came out of the water. Happiness on finishing a challenging task. Children, when you become happy, when you finish the task, when you finish a challenging task, definitely yes. When we face a challenge, what we have to do? We have to fight with that challenge, because once we overcome the challenge, we feel happiness. That is our real happiness. So I hope you understood the importance of discipline and happiness, facing the challenges, all these things. What is the real meaning of happiness? We'll continue our chapter in coming days also. I hope you all understood it. Thank you and Sai Ram.